Tuban, East Java, an earthquake of significant strength rocked Tuban Regency, East Java 2 days. According to the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency or BMKG, the earthquake occurred at 15.5 WEB with a magnitude of 6.5. The earthquake caused vibrations that were felt in several areas around Tuban. Until now, there have been no official report regarding damage or casualties due to the earthquake. People in Tuban and surrounding areas are asked to remain calm and alert to the possibility of aftershock. BMKG continues to monitor development in the situation and provide the latest information to the public. We will continue to update information regarding the earthquake in Tuban. Stay tuned to our news channel for the latest information. Hopefully, other people in the affected areas remain calm and safe in facing this situation.